Hey there, amazing viewers! Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier and more vibrant you? Well, you're in the right place because today, I'm going to reveal the ultimate secret to fast-tracking your health with the incredible Superfood Diet. Now, I know what you're thinking. Superfood? Is that some kind of superhero food? Well, not exactly, but trust me, the benefits are nothing short of superhuman. Picture this: increased energy, improved digestion, glowing skin, weight loss, and even a boosted immune system. Sounds amazing, right? And it's all achievable by incorporating these power-packed nutrient bombs into your daily meals. But wait, what exactly are superfoods? Simply put, they're a group of incredibly nutrient-dense foods that are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These superheroes of nutrition go above and beyond, providing your body with an abundance of goodness to help you reach your health goals. Let's dive into some mind-blowing facts, shall we? Did you know that blueberries, those tiny, delicious gems, are packed with more antioxidants than any other fruit? That's right. These little guys are like tiny warriors fighting off harmful free radicals in your body. And here's another jaw-dropping stat. Chia seeds contain a whopping 11 grams of fiber per ounce. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system and can even aid in weight loss. These tiny seeds may be small in size, but they sure pack a powerful punch. But wait, there's more. Avocados, the creamy green wonders, are not only delicious, but also high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins C, E, and K, along with potassium and folate. Talk about a nutrient powerhouse. So, are you ready to unlock the potential of these superfoods and fast-track your health? Join me in the next part of this video, where we'll explore mouth-watering recipes, meal plans, and tips to incorporate these superfoods into your daily routine. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Stay tuned for the next installment, and until then, remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Now that we've discovered the incredible benefits of superfoods, let's take a closer look at some of the most powerful ones that can truly transform your health. First up, we have kale, the king of leafy greens. This nutritional powerhouse is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. Incorporating kale into your diet can support bone health, boost your immune system, and even promote healthy vision. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that kale contains more iron per calorie than beef? It's true. Next on our list is quinoa, the ancient grain that's become a modern-day favorite. Not only is quinoa gluten-free, but it's also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's a fantastic source of fiber, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. This superfood is perfect for those looking to enhance their energy levels and maintain a healthy weight. Moving on, we can't forget about salmon, the superstar of the seafood world. This fatty fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation in the body. Additionally, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, B vitamins, and minerals like selenium. Including salmon in your diet can support heart health, improve cognitive function, and even enhance your mood. But hold on, folks, because we're just scratching the surface. In the next part of this video series, we'll delve even deeper into the superfood world. We'll explore lesser-known superfoods that can supercharge your health, unveil delicious and easy-to-make recipes, and reveal insider tips to maximize the benefits of these nutritional powerhouses. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So make sure to tune in to the next video, where we'll take our superfood journey to the next level. Get ready to unlock the secrets of optimal health and discover a whole new world of flavors and vitality. Remember, the power to transform your health is in your hands. Stay curious, stay committed, and stay tuned for the most exciting part of this superfood extravaganza in our next video.